but 20 dancers from age 5 to 15 loves bringing our culture dance to life on stage and share our culture with communities. Let's give them another big round of applause.
It's led by Caitlin and Linda. Give them a big round of applause again. Good. The girls practice year-round. They're sponsored by Heiko, and they continue to learn the dances as a way to preserve the clothing and the style of dance. Thank you, girls.